public.
Yes, yes.
So I believe already you are a good public speaker.
Mhm.
So what is your opinion on public speaking skills?
Yeah, I think it's a really unique skill, and it must be you and everyone have, because nowadays it is just like a requirement, for everyone, that speaking skill, that like public speaking skill. So because there is many times we have to face audience, we have to face crowd and group. So that time, if we don't have the skill, we don't have the caliber to speak someone else, and before, so what will happen, we have some hesitation. So like this public speaking is I think it's like a oratory.
Mhm.
So we have, yeah. So this is a good thing, and we should try to gain it.
So it's like necessary nowadays, isn't it? Public speaking skills.
So becoming necessary.
It's becoming necessary. So have you tried public speaking?
Okay, I know I didn't try ever it, but yeah, I like a speech, small speech that I have given. So I had that idea, but if you are asking like a public speaker, so I never did it. But speeches and some like leadership a bit that I did while my training.
Ishika, like I believe like teacher is a kind of public speaking role only. Hey, every day you have to speak in front of students, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah, because yeah, you can say it. It's something that teacher they are doing, and public speaker they are also doing. So there is some connection, and they are also making understand students, and public speaker they are making understand the audience, the public. So yeah, there is a bit connection. We can say that.
Good connection is there. So I believe almost all the teachers have mm, for them it is very easy. Public speaking is very easy for them because they are already facing some crowd and I believe you also got an opportunity to speak on stage, right, in your school in front of
Yeah,
mic.
yeah. In front of mic, even nowadays, if I say like there is some national festival, so we have to manage, we have to organize some small curricular activities. So that time I'm like I have to manage and speak something and manage this audience, so by mic. But yeah, still, if you are saying that just there is a thousand of people and you just go and speak, so really it's a typical task still, because we are just facing 100 and like 250 in a class, and 100 200 like a meeting. So but thousands, it's a good, big deal.
So when the crowd increases, our fear is also increasing.
Right, there is a connection between fear and the
The fear and
confidence.
yeah, of
Confidence,
course.
yeah.
They are like
See,
directly proportional to each other.
directly proportional, right? They are directly. Yes, because sometimes we have like confidence, but that same time we also have fear. So that is why I'm saying that this is a connection in fear
Yeah,
and
there's
confidence.
definitely there is a
If once or twice I'll do, so this fear will be get rid of. But now, yeah, there is something.
correct. So okay. So do you have that fear while speaking in front of public?
As I said, like thousands of people, and so more people, then fear is increasing, and there is less people, then I'm comfortable, I
You're
can.
comfortable.
And once or twice if I'll try it, then I definitely believe that I can do it.
I still remember I prepared like just two sentences during my school days. Okay, I practiced like 50 times, but when I go in front of the mic, I forgot those two sentences. So did it happen for you? Like, have you ever forgotten what to speak in front of mic?
You know, it happened. It happened, I think, with everyone. But whenever I just forgot that what I had to say, so that time, the thought is arose and thought, just yes, we had to say something else. Then I always tried to made a connection. So I did, and I think, yeah, it happened.
It happened, but you were able to manage it.
Yeah, I was able to manage that.
Mm. And nowadays, like public speaking has become a common thing. So why it is not there in the curriculum? Like like we have subjects like physics, mathematics, and we have a period for physical education also. But we don't have some period for like public speaking or debate skills, group discussion. So I believe that should happen in schools. So what is your opinion?
I think, it should be. It should be. You are right. But government, I think they are just including it in a different way, like curriculum activities. So there is many curriculum activities, role play, so that student have to play. So this is quite similar, but not like a public speaking, because
Exactly.
government, they are also implemented some scheme that, so that the student will gain us leadership, a bit leadership. So yeah, they are trying to do it, but it is not come directly. We can say directly they are not implemented it like public.
Implementing. And when it comes to school, they always pick up the student who speak well, and they will give opportunity, repeated opportunity for the same student again.
Yeah, it is
So that is what
because
happened.
yeah, it happened. Because I think a teacher, they don't want to disappoint in front of audience, so they just, I think, try to just clear that one or two student who is good, okay, they can speak, and another student they can just learn from them. So yeah, because if there is a audience, so like if we have some fear, then definitely students they have fear. So they for 50 or 60 students, it is enough for them. So that is why they are just making comfortable. That is why who is good, just pick them.
Even when I did school, I have been seeing the repeatedly the same faces again and again going in front of the stage.
Yeah, but I think it should change. Should be
It will
changed.
change in future. It will change. Okay. So why do you think the people are like having a fear of public speaking skills?
Okay. Because I think public speaking, like just speak in front of public. So means whatever we have potential or caliber, we are doing alone. That is enough. But when two or three people and people started in you are saying, I think you are seeing in front of you. So that time, because I think we have thinking process which is going simultaneously. That if I will be wrong, then what they will think. So like this, that is why this fear is increasing day by day. And some people, they also, commented, and that's a negative comment. So that is why, and people have some fear, like, yeah, if I will say something wrong, and what they will react and what will they do. And I don't know how they will judge me. That's why their judging process is also going, in a society, everyone is judging you. Even they are not judging you, but in our mind it's going like, they are gonna judge us. So I think that's why this fear is, everyone have that fear.
So we are thinking like that.
We are thinking so much, becoming overthinking.
Overthinking. That is the reason like people have fear of public speaking. That
Yeah,
is
like if I am alone, we are not thinking that nobody is around me, and whatever in the mind just start to say. But only four people or five people, and then crowd increase. Then what will happen? Our fear, yeah. Means now we are not like earlier when we are alone. We are change our many gestures that time. I think.
Excellent. Your point is valid, very valid. Mm. So, sorry, who's your favorite public speaker?
Okay, it's a Sandeep Maheshwari. Uh, because why I said that there is many public speaker, they are also too good. But when I was doing my graduation, so since then I, I I listened many of his videos, and I watched videos. So until now I'm watching his videos. So yeah, because it's a long time. And recently I started to watch another video. They are also too good, but it's a long time connection. So that is why Sandeep Maheshwari is my favorite.
I heard it from many people. He is very famous motivator and
Yeah, he is really famous.
very famous.
When we had no phone and all, so that time my brother had a phone, and there was we can't. That was the phone like Lava set. I don't know. Only we can heard that his voice. So we
Okay.
heard his speeches, and I remembered. I can say I learned some speeches of him, and I used it to my school for speaking. Like when I speak something, then I try to put them for example. So when I had to give an example, I just tried to make the example of them.
That is nothing wrong. Like everybody do that. Every public speaker will get the content from another speaker. Either from they will take the content from the book, from what they read, and they might take it from other public speaker. That is very common. Sorry. Mm, okay. Okay. So what are the things we do to overcome the fear of public speaking?
First, if we are just like a beginner, we have so much fear. First thing, I start alone, stand up alone, and start to make practice in front of mirror, as say by everyone, because that is for your comfortableness. And then you should try that around your people who is like your friend, your parents, your family member who is around you. Try to speak in front of them, and whatever in your mind, and with your, I think, body language, that is also necessary for speaking. And if you have, so now you are making you making comfortable yourself, then try to another level, like your neighborhood. And if you are a student, then you're in your class, implement and try to speak in front of them. Gradually, I think, increase the strength and try to speak. And once you will do this, because I think I observe it. And right now, if I'm saying that, earlier I had a fear something, and now I don't have much fear. Only, I'm thinking, just this is my thinking, that maybe 1,000 people or 2,000 people, then I will have some fear. But maybe it won't be, because I didn't face it. So this is up to the situation and up to the you and how much you have experienced.
Excellent point. Speaking in front of the mirror as well as like that is a very good activity to improve your public speaking skills. So, what is necessary for public speaking skills? For a public speaker, what is the thing necessary? What is the necessary skill of a public speaker,
Necessary
according to
skill.
you?
Okay,
Sorry.
I think, first of all, uh, way of speaking, way of speaking and voice, and managing, I can say, the audience, like how you are expressing your thoughts, you are delivering that information. Because you also have, if you are gonna, like, I'm gonna give example, if you are gonna, if speech give your speech around 1 hour, so no one can sit 1 hour continuously. You gonna listen your speech. So you have to make them entertained in between them. So this is also second. Your way of speaking and entertaining something, include some another, and include the thing from society and your sense of humor. This is also what is going that time. You have to include this, and for preparation, it's also that you also have to prepare for that. Your body language, your like if you are, you know, if you are just going to deliver any poetry, and this poetry is about like uh, any romantic poetry, and you are so lethargic and it is happening, so no one gonna interest you. So you have to make it also.
Correct.
Gesture, your standing position, your body language, how you are expressing your thought. It's all depend, and it must be in any speaker. Like we are also liking many speakers, so they had skills how they are, speaking. If you are asked any question, you ask them, then they replied very politely and very, in a way, different way.
Super. Excellent point, Shika. So when it comes to public speaking, there are two things. One is content and one is delivery. Okay. So according to you, which one is more important? Content or delivery?
I think delivery.
Delivery. Okay.
You know why? Like I also ask, sometimes we mug up many things and forgot. So content we can recall sometime and we forgot sometime. But we have to deliver, so we have to manage it. So that is why how you are delivering it, it is most important.
Okay. Very nice points I got from you. I believe you are already a public speaker. So, and do you think these kind of activities like having the online conversation will help us to improve our public speaking skills?
Yeah, why not? It's also a part of this, I can say, because many people they don't have caliber to face online photo camera, I can say. Oh my god.
You're getting called.
Yeah, yes, good. So some many people have fear like this, facing camera and talking to someone. I also met two to three people. They have really good skill to speak, but on audio call. But where it comes for a video
When it
call,
comes to video, there's yeah,
so this is
advanced.
also part.
It's a part of. Sorry, I was not keeping well. So today, so
Oh,
don't
I
know.
think